You stare at the wall for 20 minutes, squinting, trying to convince yourself that the shelf is perfectly straight. Then you step back to the doorway, and it is glaringly, painfully crooked. It is enough to make any homeowner want to give up on home improvement projects forever. This is exactly where a budget-friendly laser level is supposed to save the day. It promises to end the guessing game. It promises to replace that old, scratched-up bubble level you have been shaking for years. There's a specific green line tool that has been making waves lately for people who do not want to spend a fortune on high-end equipment. It is built for the home hobbyist. It is built for the weekend warrior who just wants to hang a gallery wall without a massive headache. This device projects vibrant green lines across your living room. Why green? Well, green light is actually much easier for the human eye to see than the old school red lasers, especially when you are working in a room flooded with natural light. It covers the walls, it covers the floors. It even handles those tricky, awkward corners that usually require 3 hands to measure properly. One of the biggest selling points here is the self-leveling feature. You set the unit down on a tripod, or even a flat kitchen table. You flip the heavy switch. You hear a soft, mechanical click. The internal pendulum swings into place. It finds a true horizon all by itself. This should make tasks like tiling a backsplash or installing heavy kitchen cabinets feel like a total breeze. It is designed to take the human error out of the equation. At least, that is the theory. The price point is definitely the most attractive part of the package. It sits in that sweet spot where it feels like a total bargain. You might feel like you are getting professional-grade technology for a tiny fraction of the usual cost. But here's where the story gets a bit more complicated and a bit more honest. Real-world users have some very mixed feelings about this one. Some people absolutely love it. They say it transformed their home renovation experience. They say it is the best money they ever spent in a hardware store. But then, there is the other side of the story. Accuracy is the beating heart of any leveling tool. If it is not accurate, it is basically just a very expensive, glowing cat toy. Some reports suggest the lines are not always as true as the company claims. A few millimeters of error might not matter for a small photo frame, but for a long run of floor tiles, that could be a total disaster by the time you reach the other side of the room. Then there are the instructions. Apparently, they are not the easiest to follow. They can be confusing. They can lead to some serious, teeth-grinding frustration right when you are in the middle of a project. You want to be working, not deciphering a poorly translated, tiny manual. The build quality also feels more like a plastic hobby tool than a rugged piece of industrial equipment. It is great for indoor jobs. It is perfect for light-duty tasks around the house. But if you are planning to take this to a dusty, chaotic construction site every single day, it might not survive the first week. It feels like a tool that demands a very gentle touch. It is a budget-friendly bridge between a basic manual level and the high-end gear that the professionals use. It saves time. It saves effort. But you absolutely have to know its limits. You have to check its work. Do not blindly trust it for a major structural project where safety is on the line. Use it for the fun stuff. Use it for the decor. It is all about weighing the cost against the risk of a slightly slanted floor. If you are a casual hobbyist, this might just be your new favorite gadget. If you earn your living with a heavy tool belt, you might want to keep saving your pennies for something more robust. It is a classic case of getting exactly what you pay for. Nothing more and nothing less. It is a handy little helper, provided you keep your expectations firmly in check. Just remember to double-check that line with a manual level before you start drilling permanent holes in your drywall. Nobody wants to have to patch a mistake that could have been avoided with a simple 5-second verification. It is all about finding that balance between convenience and precision. This tool sits right on that edge, sometimes literally. It is a fascinating look at how technology is becoming more accessible for everyone, even if it still has a few rough edges to smooth out before it can truly compete with the big names in the industry.